Hey, what's up guys? This is Sam. Today I am going to rotate a servo motor using Python's pyfirmata. So guys, let's dig in. First of all, I'm going to import Arduino class and servo module from pyfirmata. So from pyfirmata, import Arduino. After that, I'm going to import servo. Now I'm going to import sleep module time. From time import sleep. Okay. Now I'm going to define the port. Now I'm leaving this empty because I don't know the port where my Arduino is connected. I will check it later. Now let me declare the pin. I'm declaring the pin to 10. Okay, this will be our digital pin 10. Okay, now I'm going to bind this pin to our Arduino board. For binding this pin, let me call a variable name board. Now I'm going to bind our Arduino, okay, to this port. Okay, now I am going to set the mode of our pin. To set the mode of our pin, I am going to call our board variable. Now the pin should be digital pin. This is an array. Okay, digital pin dot mode. Okay, dot mode equal servo. Okay, now I'm going to declare a function. The function is going to rotate servo. Okay, now pass two argument. One is pin and one is angle. Okay, now board dot digital pin. Now what I am going to do is I am going to write in this pin dot write. What I am going to write, I'm going to write the angle. Okay, which angle the servo should rotate. And let me add some delay. This is the standard delay for rotated servo. Now I'm going to call a while loop. In this while loop, our function should run. So to run our function, I'm going to call a for loop for I in range. The range should be in 0 to 180 because our servo is 180-degree angle. Now I'm calling our function rotate servo. Now let me add the uh, arguments value. So pin equal be pin and the angle should be I. Okay, so now I'm going to reverse the rotation. Okay, so reversing the rotation, we will change the range. Okay, now I'm going to change as 181 and it will be go to -1. Okay, now we will again call our servo function that we created and passing the argument pin and angle. Okay, now I think everything is okay, but we don't specify our port. For running our pyfirmata code to Arduino, we must add a library. So we must upload a library to our Arduino. So uploading a library to our Arduino, simply open up your Arduino IDE, go to examples, and after that go to Firmata, and that should be standard Firmata. Okay, now there are lots of codes, so just simply upload. Okay, compiling sketch. an error occurred. Oh, sorry guys, we didn't select our board. That, let me upload again. Okay, we can see it's the uploading is done. Let me check the port again. The port is dev/dev/tty/sem0. So let me type the port here, slash dev slash tty/sem0. Okay, let me save our file. Now I'm going to open my camera. Okay, something wrong there. Let me check my phone. Let's rerun my program again. Okay, we can see our camera, right? Let me bigger the screen and resize our window. Okay, if I run our program, slash oh sorry guys, I forgot to add a slash in front of this. Okay, let me run my program again. Okay, we can see our server is rotating to 180. So one thing I forgot to mention, the circuit diagram. Okay, this is the circuit diagram. The yellow pin should be in pin 10 that I declared, and the red pin should be to the 5-volt output, and the black should be in the ground. Okay, so let me, we can see our servo is rotating. If we recheck the program again, let me terminate this and rerun this program again. Okay, we can see our servo is rotating. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.